In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on General Management, select Samsung Keyboard Settings, and as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. You can manage them by clicking on the switches next to the chosen ones, or tapping on the chosen one and adjusting all of its options. When you're finished, scroll down just a bit, click on More Typing Options at the bottom of this section, and manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!